What's up, my shooting stars? It's Chase the Star. Today I'm going to be unboxing another Hot Wheels car, and it is the 1967 Camaro. And let's unbox this Hot Wheels Flames Hot Wheels car. Alright guys, here is the 1967 Camaro. And honestly, this car looks pretty sick. And I like any Hot Wheels car that has the burnt orange color on it. Alright, here's the top. Looks pretty awesome. And here's the flames right here. We got orange flames and yellow flames. And the Hot Wheels logo right there. And a part of the engine on the bottom, where the fire comes out of it. I forgot what that's called, though. But still, it looks pretty cool. Alright, here's the front. And here's the other side. Oh yeah, by the way, the Hot Wheels logo is back there. And for all of the Hot Wheels, they would usually have the Hot Wheels logo right here. That's a thing that they like to do. And here's the back. And all in all, this is one of the coolest Hot Wheels Flames cars from the main line this year. Looks pretty cool. Alright guys, so that wraps up this unboxing and review video. And make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.